Well, there had been a couple of learnings along our journey, and for me most important is don't think what the customer needs, but actually figure out what the customer needs, and the best possibility is to talk to your customers. In a kind of build, measure, learn approach, you learn along the way what your customer really needs and then build the business alongside.
So it was quite challenging to make it very robust, on the other hand validate the market.
Our approach always had been the same. We first did a rough market analysis, looking at figures, estimating the potential of specific markets, and then getting to know exactly the market we want to be in. How do you understand the customer best? Talking to your potential customer. So we did some interviews, learned the needs, learned maybe where also might be some different needs, or are the problems same, or where they differ a little bit across the markets, and hence we had been able to adjust ourselves even before we aggressively entered that market to in the end scale.
We are already existing in Europe, Middle East, US, India and China. If you ask me the most important regions in terms of customers, I think US and Europe is the key, because most of the majority of OEMs are located there. The decision has to be driven with the data. However, gathering the data is very difficult. Every region has a fragmented data sources, and it is very difficult to come a decision. So the easy way is collecting the initial data as much as we can, and then having customer engagements, talking with them, understanding their needs, and then creating the data out of interviews. And even further, having a test.
We are looking at the contribution to the whole value chain of our customers, looking to meet the triangle, the best spot in the triangle of total cost perspective, quality perspective, and timing perspective. And with our experience from decades in our own products and our own purchasing activity, our own quality control activity, we have an asset that is unique in the market. Do sales in our first year on the market, 7-digit, which had been possible for us because we had been flexible to adjust to the market requirements as we learned it. We managed to double the growth in the first 2 years.
US and Europe, if you engage with them early, if you win them, you win the world.
Here we have the freedom, the frame, and the support to build such a business, and that is a culture that helps to build high-performing teams that is crucial to get such a business becoming successful. Thanks to this dedicated space, we had been able to grow copperdot exponentially.